Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the map making stream. We're in Entrapment. Give me 1 second to set some more stuff up and we'll get going here in a second. So we're going to start with a kind of a debugging session. We still have bugs to fix left from the last time we tried to play, and we had some pretty severe bugs in it. So we're going to start with that, and then hopefully we'll get to the point where we can do playtesting later. But we need to fix the bugs first. See if we can get some music going. That seems good. Okay, so we are pretty much immediately gonna head over into our function files, which is like enormous amounts of stuff. I haven't had much time to work on this since last time, so you'll have to excuse me if we still have some of the bugs that I said that I would work on. So, hello to everybody. And let me know if the volumes are okay, so good and stuff. Hello, Maloma. Nice to see you again. So how's it going, everybody? If you haven't seen this before, this is Entrapment. Entrapment is a game of trap making, PvP, but you never actually, actually combat the other team. You set traps instead. And it's being upgraded to Minecraft 1.12, but it's not quite finished yet. So one of the things that we had a problem with last time is this little section here, danger time. So what's supposed to happen is that the when you spawn into the arena, you're supposed to have some amount of safe time in the spawn area where you can't get hurt. And then after that, you're supposed to get pushed out. And this is controlled so that the amount of time that's safe gets lower and lower each round, until a certain limit. So there's always some amount of safe time. Actually, let's head back into Minecraft for a second here. Look forwards. Here we go. So there's actually controls for this. So you have rounds before danger time each round, and the minimum safe time. So danger time basically means that the amount of unsafe time that you get actually kicked out of the spawn zone increases with every round by, in this case, 15 seconds, until if we don't change this. And then there's a minimum safe time as well, so 20 seconds, you're always guaranteed to be safe. Thank you, Louis. Or Louis. I don't know how you pronounce that, depends on where you're from, I guess. Yeah, there's 4 views on Twitch, but Twitch is the lowest. Always at the moment. There are 28 on YouTube and let's see, 4 more on Mixer. So if you want more company in the chats, head on over to one of the other ones. So the problem we have at the moment is that this danger time counter would just go wild. It's supposed to be the amount of danger time left, but it went down to like several million negative. So one of the things that I did find was this command. No, not that. I've already changed it a little bit, but this command was in there. Excuse me. Making me highly suspicious, this is. Scoreboard players test remaining safe rounds from negative infinity basically to 0. The fact that we have a test function inside of a inside of a function test command, it makes me suspicious because there's no such thing as a conditional command. So very likely this thing here was actually conditional. So what I've done is I've thrown in a stats command here, and we run this off of an entity now, so that it's actually conditional again. This is kind of the workaround that you have to do to get conditional stuff in a function file. Now, let me see if I can. Okay, maybe if can I do this? No, that doesn't work. I'm trying to get to the point where you can actually see this because it's behind the Minecraft display. I guess we can just do this. That doesn't help much. Let's see. You might just pull this down, at least for the time being. He might switch this back later. There you can at least see some of the code now. Alright, so what I'm talking about is this stuff down here. Now, I don't quite see how that would actually... we're testing for remaining safe rounds being 0. I mean, the thing is, it's quite possible that some of these were also conditional or something. I don't know. But the result anyway was that the counter just went wild. So hopefully that fixes this. I have no idea if that actually will fix it. But we might just try it and we'll see. I have my my second account logged in as a sort of LAN, join to LAN thing. We're not on a server yet, so we can't join or anything. We'll be sorting that out once we get to the point where it's actually, you know, possible to playtest this in a good way. Hello, Shrew Totem. Did I get that right? Wow, I had a lot of options on this. 0 rounds is what we want. Played your map in Realms. You mean this one? How do I... like that. Okay. Did I even select an arena? Okay, good. Alright, so let's, I guess, switch back to the game. We have round time, spawn safety. Oh, right, we still have the debug thing for placing chests. I guess that's good. Scoreboard, objective, set display, sidebar. What was the thing? Okay, so let's just take a look at these different scoreboards. The safe rounds 1 is 0. That's good. That's what it's supposed to be. Danger time Inc. is score. That's 15 anyway. It's supposed to be 15. Danger time is counting down, and then seconds is counting down. Yeah, okay, so we have a score and we have the seconds that are counting down. That's good. So we'll just have to wait for it. I might have made the rounds too long, but whatever. We'll just wait and see. As this hits 0, okay, so hold on a second. I do have resistance now, so I can't take damage here right now. And I'm supposed to... that's supposed to go away when there's 10 seconds left, so that's very soon. I think. No, maybe it's when it's 0 seconds. And then the world border comes in from here to out. 5-second warning. Oh yeah, that thing is gone. And here's the world border. And there's my second account taking damage. Don't know if you heard that. You probably did. From being outside the world border. So far so good. We're now negative time. I have no idea how long time is left of the round now because I don't have that scoreboard up. But, okay, that was apparently it. And now we're back to 16... so 1700 ticks or something? 80 seconds? Which seems perfectly fine to me. But this is the weird thing. This appeared to happen... yeah, this kind of looked okay at the beginning when we playtested it last time too. So I don't know if it's actually going to stay okay or if it's just going to sort of spiral out of control or something. Because at some point some of these values just became super much negative or whatever. Let's take a quick look at min safe time. It's 20, which is 0 ticks. What? That's very odd. That's very odd. That might actually be one of the problems. It's almost certainly one of the problems. Anyway, here's this one again. Okay, we're down to negative. So we should have, yeah, it looks okay. Hey Green, message on Twitter. I don't think I saw that. Not quite sure. I get a lot of spam and stuff on Twitter, so it might have gotten lost in the flood. The command for the world border is /world border, for the people who are asking. Also have my my settings. My screen is a 4K screen, so everything is tiny. And I've had to switch the settings for this time. Alright, so this looks okay. Now too. Still looks okay. I'm a little bit, I wonder what's going on really. But the save time is definitely wrong. So I wonder, are we getting less and less danger time? Because we're supposed to get less danger time, save time. So yeah, it's 1,200 now. It's definitely, it was like 1,700 or something before. So I think that's going down, which is good. Oh, I see, Green. That's cool. I haven't seen it, but that's cool. 6 views on Twitch. Yeah, I kind of have abandoned Twitch a little bit since they have some affiliate terms that I don't really appreciate. Like, I couldn't, if I became a Twitch affiliate, I wouldn't be allowed to run this stream like this over several sites, which I don't appreciate at all. Alright, well, this appears to be kind of, oops, I need to move my second account out before this danger time thing happens. This appears to be working like it should, so I'm going to switch over to the code and show you something that I think is wrong here. So this row sets the ticks value in the min save time scoreboard objective to the same value as the time value in there, but when we looked at it on screen, this didn't actually exist, and that's why that was 0. Instead, I think this should be the armor stand. Name equals game, type equals armor stand. So that might fix that actually. I guess we'll find out. So 1200 in danger time. As soon as we switch rounds, we should see that decrease. Hey, Blocks. So what we were looking for here is to see what happens, I guess, essentially when this... That's more. Why is that higher? What? How does it become higher again? Am I the only Mojang employee that runs a fan server? Yeah, if like an open fan server the way I do, yes. Minus seconds. Oh yeah, seconds go into the negative number. That's fine. That's fine. We're kind of negative seconds for on this scoreboard basically just means that the world border has come out or started to come out. Like the save time is over. It's a misnamed scoreboard too. It says danger time remaining, but it's actually time remaining until danger time starts. And yeah, you have to wait 24 hours before showing that live stream to somewhere else, which is kind of meh in my opinion. So I might try to become a mixer partner instead, and if they accept that, then I might just drop Twitch altogether, to be honest, because streaming on 3 sites is kind of annoying. What map do I build? This is a map called Entrapment. We're sort of in the debugging process at the moment. And it's a little bit slow because we're just waiting for the rounds to tick over. And I don't want to try to manipulate it because that would mean that we might mess something up that would otherwise work or something. So we'll just wait it out. It's a little slow, but whatever. So ticks went up to 1500 now on this round. And it might be because the rounds are getting longer still. But then I don't know why it was going down first. Because it was definitely 1700 or something, and then was down to 1200, and now it's up to 1500. So I'm a little bit confused by how it's acting. Yeah, now it's up. It's up even more. I don't know what the max round thing is either. Scoreboard objectives, set display sidebar. Oh wow. Time? Yeah. So spawn safety is ticking down. That's 40 something now. 45 here. Yeah, so that's a copy of seconds here. So here we can see the spawn safety as well. Except it's likely to just stop at 0 instead of... It should probably just disappear off the scoreboard when the spawn safety runs out. I do work for Mojang, yes. And that does mean that I know some of what's coming, yes. And what it doesn't mean is that I'll tell you. Alright, so spawn safety is about to run out. Again. Get the warning. It's a weird color shift right then when that happens. There's some, like this, the screen goes a tiny bit darker or something. It's weird. This is really annoying because now everything appears to be working as intended. And one thing I realized is I haven't reloaded the world or the functions. So none of my fixes are actually loaded as far as I can tell here, unless I made some of them before I logged in. I don't think so. Yeah, so spawn safety sticks on 0 here, which is, in all honesty, probably pretty good. But okay. Danger time Inc. is still 15. What? Why is there a score in here? That makes no sense. I guess we'll set it back to time. Okay, we're about to run out of round time here again. That's not what I wanted. I wanted this one. So 1800. 20. So we're just wait. Ticks went up to 2100, but the armor stand score is definitely not 2100. It started at 11 or 1200 or something instead. So time is 105. I don't know quite what that means. At all, to be honest. Oh right, wait. Alright, let's take a look over here again. What do we actually do? So save rounds to 0, which means we're gonna add Danger Time Inc. to Danger Time. Oh, I see. I see. That's the actual Danger Time. Yes. Okay. Yeah, so that still works. Okay. Let's see. So switch back to this. So the time and the ticks values, the ones at the top, represent the amount of actual danger time that we're gonna have. The armor stand score the 95341 one, represents the amount of time remaining until it hits, which is reasonably calculated as the total round length. Minus the amount of danger time. So we should be able to see that here. So yeah, danger time, the armor stand, right here. Yeah, we copy the tick score. Then we calculate the actual ticks. Then we take the danger time for the armor stand and do minus the ticks, which... yeah, min save times. Okay, yeah. Yeah. I mean, everything looks like it's working perfectly. Why was it messing up horribly when we were playing? I don't get it. So I have my own server. Yes, I do. I run a fan server. There's a page on my webpage about it. On slicedlime.tv/server. If you're interested, it has all the rules, all the how to get on it, how to everything. So time is now 105, 120, so we added 15 seconds. That's exactly what it's supposed to do. And the seconds... Do you know why Mojang removed auto-completing with slash in command blocks? Yes, because the slash is not a part of the command. It's not supposed to be there. It doesn't belong there in a function file, so it shouldn't auto-complete with it in a command block either. The slash is just there to make the chat know that you're typing a command rather than a chat line to your friends. Hey Dom. So there we go, we are now in danger time, world borders coming in perfectly fine. Whoops. Oh dang. Wow, okay. I think I need to adjust that, by the way, because it looks like you can stand outside of the world border and not take damage as long as you're a little bit out and not a lot out. And I think there's some way to adjust that somewhere. Okay, well... yeah, the time is getting long. Yeah, I probably should have done this with different settings. Actually, maybe I should. Let's kill somebody. Alright. Okay, so we're gonna take a better look at the settings this time and just make sure that we can provoke any problems from this a little quicker. Let's see. Give me a random arena, and so no rounds. Let's see. We can add. Okay, 30 is the maximum. We can add 30. Let's put the minimum save time at 10 seconds. And let's go blitz and not add any time at all. That means that after the very first round we should have 30 seconds of danger time, and then we should have 10 seconds for the remaining. And nothing should go wrong. That's my perfect world. Thank you, Maloma. Heard a lot of good feedback from that, so hopefully... oh, spawn safety is already quite low. What was that? What? It was... 15 seconds of spawn safety? Because we started at a minute? Well, I guess... yeah. Where did I get 15 seconds from? That makes no sense. Okay, let's switch to this one again. So times 45, obviously. I don't get it. Where did 45 seconds of danger time come from? Did I not set the safe time at 10? 75. Oh, here we go. We're down to minus immediately. And that's because the minimum safe time is still at 0 because I haven't reloaded my functions. That could explain a thing or two. Make it so when you start, it will explain all the rules to the new players. There is a sign that you can click if you need the rules. With a nice tutorial and everything, I really don't want to force that on players. Okay, well, so one thing that we definitely found out here is that the thing doesn't work if the minimum safe time is 0. It just breaks down and you never get any world border. So that's now completely messed up, and that might be why danger time. Oh yeah, here we go, because now we got 10 seconds. Just run my other account out. Yeah, okay, so that did fix it. By the way, is the tutorial updated? Good question. I don't think it is. I definitely haven't recorded any new voiceover for it, so it probably isn't, I would guess. So, tutorial update. Danger time. Yeah, it still probably says like 10 seconds before the end of the round, because that's what it used to be. Thank you, Sherlin. Much appreciated. What is this and what's happening? We're debugging a minigame of mine at the moment. It's called Entrapment, and it's a PvP game about setting traps for the enemy team. The problem is last time we playtested it, it messed up completely, and the whole spawn timing mechanics went to poop. But now I think that actually fixed it. What we need to do is we need to make sure that there can't be 0. You need at least, at least a tick of save time. Which makes sense anyway, like maybe the minimum time should just be 5 seconds or something. But at least that. Now, what we need to figure out also is how to set the world border damage things. Damage buffer. Is there any way to see this stuff? World border get, but that just says the distance. Damage buffer. Okay, size in blocks. We basically want a 0. Oh, it told me then. So it was 5 blocks. You could be 5 blocks away. That explains that. So that was a kind of a little bit of an exploit. Also, nice formatting. And then damage amount. Can I guess if I set that to 1, it was 0.20. So we can maybe set it back to that. That's probably good enough. Alright, so I'm going to run out here. And now I'm going to put... Well, actually... I'm going to walk back in. And we're going to stand here and see. I should take damage now from this world border. Hello? World border. Yeah, so if you try to cheese it now... Oh, really? Can I... Why can I exit through the world border? Oh, now I can't anymore. As long as I was still sort of outside of the world border, I could exit. Okay, so now we have a good damage there. And the ticks seem to be fixed. We are going to end that round. Oh, nice little jump there. And then we're going to take a look at the controls here, because minimum safe time. Oh, it does cycle to 10. I see. So at least 10 seconds of save time. I do think that makes sense. Because like 5 seconds or even less would be incredibly brutal because of the little lag spike you get when you teleport to the other arena and stuff. So I think that's probably good. Alright, let me take a quick look at my notes, because I had notes about what was needed to fix. Alright, world border missing, we've fixed. Spawn safety has been fixed. Fix that. Still need to update a tutorial. We need a sound for the ready check. Did I make that? I think I made that. Oops. Let's get on a team and try, actually. One of the things that I wanted to make was to switch the items. So if you take a look now when I run this Reddit check, it's gonna give me 2 snowballs, and they have different different visuals. They're different items. So I get 2 snowballs. Oh, they're not different items. They have different names. So ready and not ready. But that's not very clear, is it? That didn't make a sound, right? Did it? No, what we did was set a sound for build off parkour. Aha. Any suggestions on sounds, ladies and gentlemen, would be appreciated, and also any suggestions on what items we should use instead of just using the 2 snowballs. We can use 1 snowball. Game mode creative here, but we should use another item for the no option. I'm not ready, and it needs to be a throwable option, a throwable item, or at least a usable item, preferably a throwable item. So eggs, ender pearls, eyes of ender could all be used. I don't know if they're, because none of them are like red. Ender pearl for ready, as it's green. Use colored maps. I can't use colored maps because you can't use a map. You can only use an empty map. Slime balls don't throw. Bow hit sound. What is that? Is it? Item dot something. Wow, there's too many sounds. Entity, yeah, it's probably entity actually. Entity dot, it will be arrow. Yeah, arrow dot hit player. Or just hit. Master me. Hit player. That's a very... it's not a very distinct sound. Volume 1, pitch 0.5. How about equipping 2 pieces of leather armor that is then removed? 1 red and 1 blue. Yeah, I mean, I guess you could choose which one you want by equipping a blue. Actually, I kind of don't want red and blue, because red and blue are the 2 teams. But yeah, this sound is okay, but it's kind of... I would kind of like a stronger sound. Actually, entity dot anvil? No? What's an anvil break sound? Why is that not... Wither skeleton shoot. Block that anvil. Yeah, good point, good point. Block that anvil dot break. Alright. Master S. No, not break. Destroy. Okay, no. Land. That's a little bit better, maybe. Play that here at 1 volume and 0.5. Ah, we're getting somewhere. Yeah. That's a decent sound for a ready check, what do you think? Alright, so let's head back to our code and find the ready check function. Start ready check looks like this. It's just a bunch of stuff in here. So let's just throw that play sound in there, and we're going to have to do execute at A, and then the whole thing. So everybody gets to hear it. Yes. Good. So let's see. There's a bunch of questions scrolling by here, and I'm sorry for that. Green and gray leather armor. That might be something. Yeah, you can color maps. Huh, yeah, maybe. You can color empty maps then. But in that case, it's easier to just use a leather armor piece, to be honest. And just color that. Somebody asked if I answered questions on Discord. Yeah, I do, but I'm not always around. So, I'm on so many Discord chats. If you want to talk to me, the most probable place is my own Discord server. It's linked in a bunch of places. If you're asking about Tommaso, he moved to the US. He moved to Microsoft. He's still working on Minecraft. So basically, no change there. He's just physically relocated. I have under white leather versus black leather. So I mean, an easy way would be to just do like this. Maybe even color the no one black. So let me bring that up so you can see it properly. You can't color unexplored maps. That's what I thought, but now people are saying all kinds of things, so I'm not sure anymore. I think that will be okay. So if we switch over again, whoops, so let's see if we can figure this out. So this is giving everybody at no team on a team a snowball. It says ready. So the ready one is then supposed to be just a diamond helmet. That makes really much sense to me. You're ready when you put on your ready helmet. And it's easy to detect too, because we just have to check what's on your head. Actually, that is not entirely true. It's not entirely true at all, because you might have thrown it out. In which case, we have a problem. But let's ignore that for now. The other one is supposed to be a leather helmet. 1-0, display not ready, and see, that's under display 2. It's color, and the color is a single value, and it's going to be 0 in this case. Alright. Letather? Okay. That's not a thing. So it would look like this. Is that good? Or is it better with the gold? This is more contrast, really. But on the other hand, the diamond one is much more... Can you use the curse of binding so you can't throw it out? You can still throw it out if you haven't equipped it, so that doesn't work. I don't know. I mean, I guess this would be clear enough, right? Diamond and black. So if we run both those commands... and try to run them in here instead of in my OBS window, maybe? So I get a ready helmet, and then I get a not ready. Ready, not ready. Green for ready, for consistency. Yes, gold is better than diamond, just for consistency. We can try a green one. I guess that makes sense. I wonder how glaring green we should have. Maybe let's see. So we went to the ready one. Should be then a leather helmet. And we need a color that is green. It's yeah, actually that is better, isn't it? Yeah, I kind of like that better. Maybe dark gray instead of pure black. Yeah, it's possible to color the leather. And you can actually use any kind of color. Let's experiment with that then. So not ready. We need a color that is kind of dark gray still. We still want pretty dark. So 4210.752. So it would look like that. What I don't really like about this is that the hue of these, the lightness of them is very similar. How about green and red? I am trying to avoid green and red because of color blindness. So I would rather have a green and a non-color. Maybe just a tiny hint of gray, rather than like a lot of gray or a lot of light or whatever. 2688. That's very dark. All right, let's move that away. Try one more. These color values are all magic. 2, 1, 0, 5, 3, 7, 6. That may be. I kind of like that one. Even with color blindness, it says ready and not ready. Yeah, the problem is it already says ready and not ready, and people do not get it. They simply do not get it. I think we'll go with these. These look pretty good. And what you also have to realize is that it never looks like this. Like ready and not ready. It looks like a lot of this. And there's lots of chat in the way, and you can't see it because it's under the chat box. How do you check which helmet the player is wearing since they both say leather? Well, we haven't done that part yet because it used to be snowballs. We'll get to it. First of all, though, let's just take and plug these values into here. So the not ready one that we are wanting. So that goes here. Not ready. And then we need a ready with this color. There. Hi, Suncat. Thanks for dropping by. Hope you're having a good day. We now need to detect these things, so I need to... Alright, that's... yeah, okay. Because I'm in creative mode, I actually duplicated the item when I did that. Alright, so this is the ready check start. We give the item, we set up some, throw the snowball when ready. Should say something else. Equip the ready helmet when ready. Is that an okay thing, you think? It doesn't have the same ring to it as throw the ready snowball, but I mean, I think it might be okay. I don't intend to retexture anything. Reset held ready item. Reset snowball. I guess we can get rid of the snowball scoreboard now. Whoops, that's not what I wanted. Scoreboard vectors remove. Snowball. Hey Phantom, I'm doing good, thank you. Deleted emoji madness. Thank you very much. I mean, the mixer chat is so quiet and anyway, so it doesn't really, yeah, it doesn't really make a much of a difference. Okay, so we have a snowball. We have a held ready item scoreboard. So we can probably use the held ready item 1. Player set ready check 1. We set the sidebar and then we teleport anybody who was in the tutorial and we cancel the tutorial. Okay, so now what we need to look at is the actual loop, the loop function for the ready check, which is this monstrosity. And now here you see what we're doing. So this is how we detect what you're holding, even though they are both the same thing. Like they used to be snowballs, but now they're both leather helmets, so it's kind of the same. The selected item is Minecraft colon snowball. We'll just replace that with Minecraft colon leather helmet, if I can spell that. Looks to have gone perfectly okay. And we're checking the name. The tag name is ready or not ready, so that's how we know. And it's going to say 1 or 2, this held ready item, depending on which one I hold. So we're going to have to reorder this a little bit. Also revoke any advancement player gains. That would just mean that they could get them again. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace all the default advancements, so you can't get them. But that's a later problem, though. I hope you don't hear much of the murder fest going on in the playground outside. Children just love screaming. Alright, so we're checking for the snowball scoreboard here. That's not quite enough. Basically, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do scoreboard players tag at a remove helmet. Sure. And then we're gonna do scoreboard players tag at a add helmet if you match this thing, which is... Ooh, holy crap. Okay, I'm gonna have to look that up. Player. So what we're trying to do here is match the player having a leather helmet on their head. What is that? Is it equipment? Inventory. Yes, so inventory. Oh, dang it. Yeah, so inventory, that's a list, and it needs to contain an item that has the ID Minecraft leather helmet, and it needs to let's see, have a count of 1. Well, I guess that's not strictly necessary, and it's not gonna matter. Let's see, includes the slot tag and the slot. Right, and so the slot is 103, if I understood that right. Now the question is, what's the slot? Item structure. We can easily figure this out. Slot is a byte. So, B. No, there. Alright, so if I put this on now I have a green ready helmet, and I do this. Scoreboard. Best command. Data tag does not match. Why does it not match? These things are incredibly tricky to debug. Why am I streaming on 2 platforms at once? Well, I'm not. I'm streaming at 3. And because I don't have a reason to stream on only one. I don't have a reason to be exclusive to somewhere. Most of my viewers are on a YouTube, but I like being non-exclusive. I don't like the fact that YouTube has such a incredible dominance about videos, so I wouldn't mind diversifying a bit. Okay, I don't get it. I seriously do not get it. Unless the slot is actually not that. If I read this wiki page wrong. Slot? Hello? It really looks like it's supposed to be 103. And I can't really see it. This will work clunky, but will work. It's gonna be fine. Inventory. ID. Minecraft leather helmet. Yeah, that's correct. How do I count how many players are on my Minecraft map using scoreboards? Probably easiest way is to set a value to 0 and then run an execute from every player and add 1 to it. Or you can use the stats command and a test for. I should do a bunch of small tutorials like that at some point, to be honest. Okay, okay, if we remove... Do I even have a... Oh wait, or is the slot number... Is it slot not capital S? That would explain a thing or two. Except now I can't find the reference again, so hold on a second. Including the slot tag, that does look like it's... No, it is capital S. What? Please tag add inventory is correctly spelled. Am I just being stupid? I do have it on my face. Oh wait, please. Yes, I'm checking for just a leather helmet. I don't get it. I don't get it. Oh no, I'm just being incredibly stupid. I'm just being so incredibly stupid. It does match. And that's why it says tag helmet added, but it doesn't match for my other account, of course. Oh, what a waste of time. Alright. Alright, so at this point, we, actually, you know what? We might as well test for the entire thing here then. We might as well add tag, display, name, ready. That whole thing. That was incorrect, apparently. Did I miss one? Oh, that's... Wait. That's one too much. Yeah, okay. So we don't even need a held ready item, actually. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna scrap a whole bunch of stuff. We're gonna scrap the remove the held ready item scoreboard. Gone. Good. And then we're gonna... Let's see. We're gonna grab a few things. So instead of in here doing a give command, we're gonna cut those out. And we're gonna do replace item. Scoreboard players tag add slicedlime dumb. Yeah, except your syntax is wrong, so nope, no points. We're only gonna do this if you haven't completed the ready check yet. Which is ready check 3? Or 2? Yeah, 2 is... Yeah, 2 and 3. The values are 2 and 3. I think 3 is ready and 2 is not ready. So we can do score ready check. Can't spell. Check. Is it most 1? That we can do. What's the syntax of this thing? Replace item is replace item entity selector slot item amount data tag. Select item entity selector slot slot dot hotbar dot 0 1. Should probably do these last actually. Yeah. Yeah, whatever. We don't need to kill snowballs anymore either. Alright, so remove the ready helmet tag from everybody, and also remove the not ready helmet tag from everybody. And we're gonna add those depending on the ready or not ready names. Come on. Ready helmet. Not ready helmet. And then we can do, instead of score held ready item 1, ready 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 3. What's... What? Oh! Wait, what? Oh wait, that's ready. Not a ready check. Would it be worth putting the helmets in non-adjacent slots to minimize people accidentally equipping the wrong hat? Maybe. I mean, one option, you're generally going to have your selection on the first slot. So one idea would be to do something like this. So you have to actually scroll to it. Which means that you'll actually read what it says, hopefully, or, figure something. Maybe that's better. Put them in slots 4 and 6. Yeah, I guess if you can from 1. What do you guys think? Is that better? Should we do that? It also looks symmetrical and nice, which I appreciate. Okay, so we don't... Yeah, it's better, okay. Seems to be the general consensus that that's better. Then we are going down here. We're going to do slot hotbar, that's 3 and 5, because these start from 0. So if I do that and then run this command... Alright, I'm just gonna have to replace this real quick with S. Yeah, that ends up in the right place. Okay. So we have a ready scoreboard and we have a ready check scoreboard. So there's some interesting things going on here. I'm not entirely sure how. Right, so if you are holding if you held ready item 1 and scoreboard. These... I'm just gonna have to re-implement this. So, tag equals ready helmet. If you have a tag that says ready helmet, then we're going to show the text that you're ready. Yes. Okay, actually this is done once. Might actually want to do, yeah, we'll do this. We'll do an execute for everybody with a ready helmet. And we're going to tell everybody that... Ooh, does a selector properly expand at S in A? I think it might not, because the selector kind of expands later. But we can do at P tag equals ready helmet, hopefully. This, by the way, fixes a bug, because previously you could get like a text that said player this and the player that is ready, so you'd get them in the same sentence. It was a little bit weird. So hopefully that fixes that. Tag equals not ready helmet. And then we're going to do the same thing there. P tag equals not ready helmet is not ready. I prefer command blocks because then you can just download the map and not the function. Well, the function is included in the map. Alright, so... Right. This needs to be at A. Alright, we need to clear everybody who had that. Not ready helmet. Right, yes. Thank you, Pedro. I fixed it before the chat delay came up, but thank you. Yeah, all the functions are stored under the world save folder, under a folder called data. And then functions. So if you download a map, you get all the functions for the map. No way around it. Now, if you held ready item 1, I'm just gonna assume that ready check 3 means ready. And ready check, oh, ready check -1 apparently means not ready. So tag equals ready helmet. And then not ready helmet, that's -1. And the snowball scoreboard is gone. Now we have the problem of the ready scoreboard, because I don't know what's going on with that. It's being set to 2 and 1 and stuff, so... We're checking for the total count. Oops. Alright, we're setting... Oh, I see. So this is running for each of the armor stands that has a count score. That's going to be ones for the red team and ones for the blue team. And then we are running an operation that copies the count value to the ready value. So we're basically saying we need as many players to be ready as there are players on the team, which makes sense. And then we're checking for red team, for ready score of 1. Why have I made that distinction? Why in the world have I made the distinction of that? I don't get it. I guess if you count from 1, you're so definitely a programmer. Yeah. Oh god, I joined when it's like speaking alien to me. I'm sorry. So something just struck me here while I was looking at this. Maybe we shouldn't be clearing out and ending the ready check. Maybe people should be allowed to switch helmets over and over, like switch modes. So if I go like not ready, then I can switch to ready if I do it before the end of the ready check. Line 21 error, I think. There's a bunch of problems with this already. Mostly because I don't know, there's nothing in the ready scoreboard anymore. We're adding to the ready score. I don't see why these are 1. And why I have a ready check and a ready scoreboard. Or rather, why I'm counting things on both. I think we're gonna go for the ready scoreboard, ready check scoreboard for the players, and just keep the ready scoreboard for the armor stands. So that means, yes, this goes ready check. This goes ready check. Yeah, let's do that. That'll be good. Because one of the problems is people keep picking the wrong item to use, and then they've messed up the entire ready check rather than just being able to go sorry and then switch to the right one. Does your ready check test for balanced team sizes? No. That's the only reason I can see the checks being done per team. I don't actually know why I'm doing it separately per team. That's a good point. I don't really know why I did it that way, but you know, whatever. Ooh, here's an interesting row. E naming was join red. A name equals join our, is that right? What? Okay, so this test for the red team. So basically this says this is the ready check basically. It tests for everybody on the red team being ready. This says that there's nobody who's not ready anymore on the red team, right? We've set it to count, and then we've reduced the amount by 1 for every player that is ready. So if the red team is ready, then we do the same for the blue team. So we check that the blue team is ready. The blue team has a score of 0, which means that all the players are ready. And in that case, we set the ready scoreboard to 1 for the game itself. So that is correct. It is supposed to say both the teams. And then we check for the red team being ready. Oh, and in that case, why in the world am I doing that whole thing 2 times? Yeah, whatever. It works. Then ready min equals 2. Oh, so this is basically checking for anybody who is not ready? What? How could you have... Alright, so I guess this is supposed to say 3. And this gets to become score edge equals -1. And in that case we set the ready state to 2. So I'm assuming that means that 1 is... Okay, we're gonna need some comments here. Ready check succeeded, and ready equals 2, ready check failed. I'm assuming. Is this made in in Java language like mods are? This is just Minecraft commands. The only difference is they are in a text editor instead of in command blocks. Okay. If we have a score in the ready scoreboard that's at least 2. Oh! Aha! Now I see. Now I see why the ready thing was used. We're basically waiting for everybody to make a choice, and when everybody has made a choice, we can say success or failure, depending on if it succeeded or failed. But I think we basically don't. Maybe we'll just do that. Arg. Yeah, maybe. Can everything done... okay. Unable to read. Can everything that can be done in command blocks also be done with functions? Or are there cases where one is preferred over the other? So, conditional commands are trickier to do in functions. A conditional command block is super simple. You can have any amount of repeating command blocks, but you can only have one repeating function, the game loop function. So those are the major two things, I think. Will there ever be command blocks or world edit on console edition? I mean, that's the 4J version. I don't know about that. Like Sony's still holding back on the whole crossplay thing, which means that the Bedrock edition that we're working on isn't actually on PS4. And that version has command blocks, so I mean that's where we're trying to get you. But that's we'll see what happens in those talks. I'd love to get Sony on board with that. Okay, so by removing the ready thing, I've apparently messed things up a little bit here because I didn't understand what I was using it for, and it's still kind of not obvious. But okay, we're gonna copy these. And we're gonna set the ready score 2. So ready 1 means ready, and ready 2 means not ready, apparently. Which makes absolutely no sense, but sure. And then we're gonna, instead of ready check min equals 3, we're gonna do ready min equals 1. There should be a ticking sound when it starts to count down. That's not a bad idea. Ticking countdown. I like that. We can definitely do that. We just need a tiny little sound when it goes like tick, 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 or something. So now we have ready 1 if you're ready, ready 2 if you're not ready, but you've made a choice in either of those cases. Ready min. Okay. So we have ready 1 that's yes, successful, ready 2, score ready 0. Yeah, so here, this ready check. This needs to be ready min equals 2. Right. So now, then we've counted that everybody's made a choice. Somebody's made not ready as their choice. And then we print out their names. Otherwise, we'll say that the ready check timed out waiting for some people. Could the ticking also be used to count down towards the end of the rounds? That's also not a bad idea, to be honest. Definitely do something like that. Any kind of clarity in communication is nice, and doing sounds really adds to that, I think. Wait, what? If the ready score is... Oh yeah, then we go back to the lobby state. We failed the ready check, so we go back to the lobby state, or we timed out the ready check, then we also go back to the lobby state. Otherwise we need to check if it's complete. So we're adding to the tick score. Oh, what does that happen though? Oh, so ready, score ready 1. Then we increase the tick score. Oh yeah, because then we need to prepare the arenas thing. Block.note.hat. I mean, sure, let's test it out right away. Master, please. That works. Oops, we'll get to that. We're soon there in the code. Oh wow, really? Oh yes, I actually do still have command blocks in this world, and that actually does need to activate them. Yes. That would be very annoying. So we're basically going to do... We're going to take all of these. Actually, let's take the whole dang thing. And we're going to count down sounds. We're going to basically grab what I just did in the game. And instead of the title... Oh, we don't need that one. We need these ones. We're gonna do a play sound to everybody. Is that gonna play at the location of the armor stand, I wonder? Yes. That's sad. Oh no, wait. Yeah, no, that was correct. That's correct. However, if we do that, throw that in there, then we get a click. So that's what we're gonna have to do. This whole thing, paste it in. So we're gonna get 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 200. We're starting the actual game. We want a different sound. What sound do we do? I don't know. Block.note. That's something else, maybe? Nah. Could actually do like a... Oh, come on. Not the chime, that's terrible. That makes sense. So the pling sound at the end of the countdown. Cool, cool, cool. And then we can do the same for the countdown in game, basically. Alright, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna do replace item entity a team equals not none slot dot armor dot head or helmet. I think it's head, right? Yes. 1 0. No, wait, just air. So get the helmet off your head once you've selected it. How long does it take you to make a map varies wildly with the complexity of the map. Like this one has taken quite a long time. I think Build Off Parkour, the one that we worked on like last week, that took a couple of days to make. This one was a several weeks of effort the first time I made it, and like it's been many weeks of development over all the updates and improvements. Alright, so I kind of need to clear the rest of the hotbar, don't I? I kind of do. Oh well. So we're gonna do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Four, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I mean, it's also possible that you put this into your inventory. I don't care at this point. What we're gonna do last here is execute at E. Whoops. Basically, we're gonna want to run. Where is it? Oh, essentially, you want this then. Tricky. We're gonna execute this thing. So this is the game is about to start. Players tag at a team equals not none. Add starting, I guess. And we're gonna remove starting. Remove starting. So that we do on these, we can do tag equals not starting. So that we stop giving you these things once we are starting the game. Because then we don't want you to be able to affect this thing anymore, and we don't want any more calculations to be going on. We just want it all to stop, really. So then we're gonna do clear here if the tag starting is set. Just want to say thank you. This has nothing to do with the map, but you inspired me to make the maps I make. Well, that's awesome. I love seeing that more people join the map making scene. And even if they are unfinished, like you said, it's still cool to see it. And well, eventually you'll get there. It takes lots of practice to make things. Which program are you making the function in? This is Notepad++. Okay, I'm pretty sure that there's something I haven't thought about here. For instance, what happens... So once we say ready... So we're still in this ready check loop when we're counting down. And when we're waiting for the map to be cloned or instanced from the structure blocks. So, yeah. Maybe have another function instead of lots of same selectors. I mean, maybe you just have at s in there instead, I guess. Thank you very much, Long Week. And good luck with your maps. Why? So what I don't get is why... There's two things I don't get actually. Why is this countdown run as part of this loop instead of just as its own loop? And what is preventing this from just keeping going? I don't get it. Like this one, this ready score turns into 1. Oh, score tick equals 1. Oh, I see. We're adding 1 to the tick score each time. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes total sense. Alright, so this tick score needs to not be there. Right. That makes sense. I think we've got something that might work. Reload. What do we have? My laptop has been idle so long it's gone onto this lock screen. Okay, we're on Teams, so let's try things out. Actually, game mode survival on me. This removes the item. Ready check. Ooh, wow, yeah, that's notable. Alright, so let's start by not doing anything and seeing that it times out properly. Hey, ready check timed out. Good. And the items disappeared. Now, I'm ready. I'm not ready. Look at that. I'm ready. And if I then go to not ready on my other guy, it says ready check failed, then I was not ready. Good. So far, so good. And now equipping the ready helmet there, and then equipping the ready helmet there. We passed the ready check, and we're preparing the arenas. Ticking. Oh? Where's my pling? That's not that bad, but I mean, where is it? Why didn't that work? That was weird. Well, almost a complete success anyway. Does the tick... It runs start game function if this score hits tick score hits 200. I guess maybe because we're teleported away right away, the pling disappears. That's a bit odd. I guess we could essentially move this and just move it into. Oop, gotta run out. Still have the danger setting. Oh, wait, look, round time. Now it broke again. Why did it break again? Why? The time is minus a gazillion again. Oh, okay, so this is what I was looking at. The game is now stuck. How does it end up there, and why doesn't it always happen? I don't get it. So new round, let's look at that again. So apparently the safety time wasn't the issue. Played at 199. It might actually just work. Let's give it a minimum volume of 1, yeah. So round length calculation, that's kind of a potential issue. So we're gonna start at... Okay, where does this round time thing come from? We're gonna have to look at scoreboard objectives, set display sidebar, added time. Hello? No? Time increase. Yeah. It's broken. Okay, so time increase is broken. How does time increase get broken? The game score is correct. Right, hold on, I'm gonna have to close my door here. Alright, so the game score is correct. The armor stand score is 0. And the added time and added tick scores are just all over the place. But also my windows are broken. Hello. There we go. Alright. What? Not related to the bug you're having, but if you increase the score too much in Minecraft, does it stop at the max value or overflow? I'm pretty sure it stops. Or rather, I'm pretty sure the operation to add more fails. Not 100% sure though. Alright, so take a look at this. Here's where we set those things. We calculate the round length. So obviously the added time and added ticks values have become completely borked. So we start by taking the added ticks from the added time. So added time. What are you... We're increasing added time by time increase. Okay, we're gonna have to take a look at time increase. Oh wait, by game. We're already looking at time increase. Which is 10. You can make the sound on the start of the 199th tick before the score clears. Yeah, but the problem is the sound plays in a position in the world. And then immediately at the 200th tick, we teleport away, so the sound becomes far away. And some people have already suggested I should just set a minimum sound volume on it, which should that should work. All right, so we're increasing that by the time increase of the game, which is 10. But somehow... Wait, this... Alright, here's a problem. We're taking the game... Max time added... Max time added. What's that? Oh! That's a good value. The max time added in seconds is minus 11 billion. If I read that right. Mine is a lot. Okay, so max time added is probably the thing that broke first. Because in the code, what we do is we take the lowest value of these, and if seconds in max time added is borked, then yeah, that's okay. But why? Where do we modify this? This is just set by a sign. In the lobby state. Control. Cycle max time added. Whoo! Yes, okay. Like, how does max time added seconds become that? Where does seconds even get set? Because this is just adding 1, 2, 3, 4. This is in minutes. Or something. It's a little bit hard to tell with all this text. But... maximum time added, colon, the text. Minutes. Yeah, this is a minute. So somewhere when we start the game, that becomes something wrong. Apparently the value was 1. So we're supposed to add at most 1 minute. Okay. But start game. Let's take a look at that. Is this... yeah, okay. What the heck? Some old stuff in this that I don't see how this has worked. Huh. Okay, so this would mean... I still don't see how it became massive amounts of negative, but... yeah, okay. That might be it, I guess. No, I don't see how this becomes a like minus 11 billion. I really do not. Unless it's just been minus 11 billion for all the time, and I don't even. All right, let's just kill a random player. All right. That was at least one very necessary fix. So max time added is currently a value of incredibly bullshit. Hey Pavlos, thanks for joining. Alright, so let's pick a random arena again. Join some teams with my 2 accounts here. Okay. So what we need to, let's see. Let's just relative danger time, minimum safe time. We are supposed to add 0 seconds per round. At a maximum of 1. Alright, so the round time is supposed to be 1 minute always. Right. If it became slightly negative and that command you changed failed, it would have become 60 times more negative every time the command was run. That is indeed a good point. So now it's reasonable, now it's 60. So as long as that doesn't like freak out again, then everything should be okay. The problem is I know... okay, that was broken. I wonder if I have set it to negative at some point myself in order to debug something, and then it just spiraled out of control. That might be it. As weird as it sounds. Let's see what happens with it now after the end of this round. Alright. There we go. And it looks sane still. Round time. It also looks sane. Okay, I'm gonna call that fixed. And then we're gonna see about the countdown too while we're in this. So hopefully I can do that while we're in game. And that would be under the game loop. So a whole bunch of junk in here. Count remaining players, display round time. Right, here's the seconds left stuff, timing. Probably copy that in here. Countdown sounds. And this would, okay. Need to leave the spawn zone again. Why do we have more than a minute? It's supposed to add 0 seconds per round. Why is it adding more? Why do we have more than a minute? That's weird. 'Cause it's 50 seconds now. So somehow we're getting more than a minute still. So something is a bit wrong with the timings of rounds. I'm gonna fix this first though. This is so easy. That master playing, we should play sound. Volume, let's see. We have 1, pitch 1, minimum volume 1. That might do it. Let's move over to the game function. We are going for... So the time is stored in tick. We're counting downwards this time though. Yeah, 80... it looked like we had 90 seconds now. And if this is the case, then we should have 100 next time if it's like adding 10 for some reason. Thank you very much, Bumble. There is no IP Swifter. This is not a playtest. We're debugging stuff. Alright, so we're starting at 100. That's still true. We're just going downwards instead of upwards. Actually, we're switching on 1 apparently. So... should actually be this. Should just be strict. Yeah, I guess let's put a 1 on all of them then, just to be exactly correct. Reload. We should hear that in 5 seconds now. Alright, the playing one didn't work, but... Why is that? Is it still a distance problem? What? Oh wait, whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, this is entirely wrong. This is like this. Let me quickly put that back into code. Oops. See if I can save my second account from dying while not looking at that screen. And we're gonna do the same for the ready check because that's also wrong. There. Back into the game. Reload that. It also sounded like the countdown on the sideboard didn't really... It wasn't exactly the same time as the... So let's see. It sounded like the ticks were a little late or something? I don't know. Okay, 5 here. 5. That still didn't work. I mean, I guess it's like it's counting down. All right, because so the this is not the one I'm looking for. This is the one. These ticks, they happen when the score is about to switch to the next. That's why it seems late. So this, I think, would actually be better if we do it up here, because this is just... Or actually, we do it on... No. 19 is when it switches to the lower one, and this would be 99. Uh, 79, 59. That doesn't make any sense. That literally doesn't make any sense. I should be going downwards. Oh, 39, 59, 79, and 99 is what I should be doing. We're not going to catch this one. We're about to run out of time for this round, as you can probably hear. Uh, 59, 19. We're going to have to wait for the next time. The time is definitely going up to, which is not supposed to. So that's also wrong. So, scoreboard objective set display sidebar. What's that? Time increase or something? Yeah, time increase. Why does the game say 10? And the armor stand score is 0. That's a little weird. This is a lot weird, actually. Reload, so we get that countdown properly this time. Just check that. Okay, that's a minute away. We can debug some before that happens. And to figure out where the time increase is set. There's probably some error in something when you click the signs and stuff. Or it's in the start game function. That could also be the case. Cycle added time. This is just doing the armor stand thing. Oh wait, this isn't setting the game score at all. But on our time increase scoreboard, the game has a score. That's probably bad. Hey Mosh, didn't see you there. Alright, countdown. Alright. That kind of works to me. I don't really see the need for the pling in this case. I do want it in the ready check countdown. That's the one I just deleted, so let's not do that. But in the actual game, I don't see the need for it. That really worked kind of nicely. Whoopsie daisy. Okay. What? Didn't run far enough. Doesn't help, still clueless. Okay, we're making a map. This is Entrapment. It's one of my old maps. It's been around since Minecraft 1.8 and we're updating it to 1.12. And we're using the new functions, which is why you're staring at a text editor with a lot of Minecraft commands in it. And right now we're just doing debugging stuff. That's why. I kind of need to get rid of the placing chests thing too. So I just found out that I'm subscribed and I don't even know who this YouTuber is. Sub well earned. Well, I must have highly impressed you at some point then, eh? Thanks for the sub. Alright, what are we looking for? We're looking for where it adds time, which would be the start round function. New round. So time increase. It goes off of added time. Oh, here we go. Tick tick. Is it just me, or is there a tick delay between spawn safety and time changing? I don't know. There might be. Or it's just a display thing. You set the volume of the plane to 100. Yeah. Is the volume or the max volume? Well, the min volume. Alright, the cycle time doesn't set the game time. It also doesn't set any added time. Lemons are better. Well, that's just like your opinion, man. Alright, let's close some of these things. We're looking at new round. So we're setting added time ticks to added time. We're multiplying by 20. We're adding that to the tick. Time increase. Yeah, but where's the... How does this even get set? I'm sure I've done something very smart somewhere. Time increase. So the time increase has a value in game, has a value in the armor stand, has a value for added time and added ticks. Are they set when we start the game? That might be the case. Game, start game. We're gonna look at, and we're gonna also run out of the spawn area before we get one of our accounts killed. Time increase. Alright, so you're setting added time to 0 at least. So added time is the actual time that has been added. But... okay, so added time gets counted up somehow. And that would be a new round. So added ticks, we're counting that up to added, so 20 times added time, which makes sense. Then we are setting the tick. We're adding that to that. And then we're adding the game score. The game score doesn't exist, shouldn't exist. That's wrong. Scoreboard, players, reset, game time increase. That's how it should look. Alright. Let's restart. Alright. This now, if I can get my other account to go and join the Redstone team, should be working much better. And now we should also hear the pling of the ready check completing, or countdown completing. The first value is the volume and the third value is the minimum volume. Yeah, I know that one, but I don't know which one I'm supposed to be setting to 100. Alright, rounds before danger time. Let's go with this. We should see rounds that are 60 seconds and no more. All the way through this. So, I'm ready. My second account is ready. We're preparing the arena. Countdown. No plane. This is it just will not. The time is 60 seconds, correctly. Spawn safety is 30, also correct. And I believe it should be 10 after this, on the next round. Alright, so where... I have both volumes set to 100 now, so... Not doing it. We might have to wait a tick and just play it in after the teleport. Yeah, so the time is correct now. Right, so actually, I want to fix this too, this treasure debug thing, and I want to run out of the spawn zone so I don't die. All right, so okay, let's switch ourselves over here. Go find the something. I guess the game loop, chests, placing chest, this thing. Just to go away. Back in and reload. Changed it from at S to at A. Yeah, no placing chests anymore. No debug. No, but it's being executed by at A. Whoops. Forgot the lime slice. Alright, well, I don't... Let's see. Where do I have this thing? And you can't see it because it's behind the Minecraft. So here's how it looks currently. Like there's an execute at A on there. It really should. Should work properly. I appear to have lost connection to my chats. Does this mean I'm also lost connection to my stream? The stream appears to be doing fine, but Mixer chat reconnected. YouTube chat has just killed itself or something. Alright, well, that's okay. We are going to take that pling and we're going to move it into the start game function. I guess we haven't teleported there yet, so we're gonna have to wait with it too. I guess maybe put in a new round. It's disconnected again. You guys having problem with the stream? You see it? So looks okay to me, but these chats are having all kinds of problem. Alright, so down here at the very end of the new round, we're gonna do that. And we're gonna reload that, and we're gonna see if we get a pling now. Stream is fine. I have no idea why it's doing that. What's wrong with the pling? Why do you not like the pling? Stupid game. Oh. Okay. Failed to execute that. Oh, come on. Which one? Is it... I guess that's this. That's why. Alright, so reload that again. Now we should have a pling. And that pling would then also work on the start of the game, because it will play at the start of every round. Ta-da! Alright. Alright, we're getting somewhere. Let's see. The placing chest debug is finished. There are a couple of options, and I need to update the tutorials, fix the advancements. We had a bug once where I spawned under the lobby. It wasn't terrible, and never been able to reproduce it since, so we're gonna ignore that. And then I do want a proper fix for staying in the arena and the spectators option, but we don't have to do that now. We don't even have to do that for this release of the map. Which means that we are probably good to go for a playtest on this. Still gonna have the recipe spam. Not gonna be able to do anything about that, but yeah. We're gonna disable those then. It's just gonna be a whole bunch of achievement or advancement files that I'm gonna have to add in there. All right. Also want to add some stuff with like a few more messages and stuff. All right, so let's do that. And Minecraft? No, there we go. Alright, so give me a second here. I'm gonna have to package the map up and get it over to my server so we can run a playtest. Okay. Let us start this baby up. Map making, what kind of map? This is Entrapment. It's a PvP map about setting traps for your enemies. Alright, so I believe this should be whitelisted, but even if it isn't now. I'm gonna grab nicknames as they are posted in chat, and we are gonna play a game. And just as I said that, the YouTube chat disconnected again. Give me a second here. Yep, okay, so I post the IP in all of the chats. You in the Twitch chat now, Maloma? Stop spamming, please. It's been added a long time ago. Oh, I see. Yeah, it keeps disconnecting for some reason. It says unable to connect to chat again. I guess I'm gonna have to keep reloading it to see. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's up with it. It's working well enough to whitelist people though. Oh wow, really? Oh, it's okay. That worked. We have a decent amount of people in here. I think I got everybody. Just give me a shout if I missed you. Swifter was added a long time ago. He's way up here. Also can't see any attempts of connection from him, so... You can bun me, Suncat. I don't know if I wanna... Do I want to know how that is? I posted the IP already. Did that not work in the YouTube chat, maybe? Chat is not being my friend today. Let's try to post it again. Unable to connect to... Okay, here. Didn't you want to add a mechanic so players can't block the sign? That's already in. Okay. That's the IP. Now it's at least on stream. You'll have to type it in. I have no idea. The YouTube chat is just terrible. There you go. So if you try to move up to the signs without like these two last blocks, I think, you don't have operator status on the map, you will not be able to walk up to the screen to the signs. Should you try? I don't think you should try to ban me, but you said you'd bun me. Alright, let's, oh god, maybe not that the first time. Yeah, you get pushed away, so there's a little bit of a space that I can operate the map on. Alright, I'm on the red team, we need the fuzzy on the blue team then, and then we're about ready to go. Alright. What? Why is it not... Oh, that's very laggy. All right, we'll look like we're good to go. Oh wait, we're gonna set up this a little bit better. Danger time added each round 10 seconds. Minimum safe time. Let's put that up to 30 maybe. We're gonna add some time per round. Up to 2 minutes maybe at 15 seconds will be good. Friendly fire is off. Ready check is happening. Sino is not ready. Always, always. Oh, wow. Okay, that's a bit spammy. Oh, right, I don't kill hats, do I? Alright, that worked. Nice. He even got the pling. And then we can make boats. Yay. Okay, somebody has to go for the chest, which is... Oh, it's right there. Somebody has to be less blind than me. Hello? Okay, got it. Get some wood. There's gonna totally be a blue team that's like stream sniping me. Alright, here we go. Got all of those. Did we? Yeah, we took all of the things from there. That's good. Alright. Nice. Oh, okay. We started out with that one, eh? That's dangerous first chest. Actually a very dangerous first chest. Alright, let's run. Don't want to be close to those guys. Oh no. Fall over the water. No! Dang. That's a rough start. Oh, give me that. Oh, and it even announces the achievements. That's no good. Oh well, it will be gone anyway. Alright, well, whatever. Hi. Is this one? This can't recognize which one that was. Let's actually do this. Alright, there's this village here. Is there anything in this? I think there might have been a chest in one of them, but, well, there isn't anymore. Need more of this. See you, Fuzzy. Good game. A little bit quick. Oh, nice. Yeah. Aha. Yes. Okay. Ow. No. No. Oh, flying endermite. Oh. Alright, good. Kind of. More stuff. Need more stuff. Like that. Why don't you remove the recipe toasts? I mentioned just before that we started this playtest that I was going to. Woo! Rip. People are getting killed quickly in this round. It started off rough with those shulkers. They really annihilate people, and you don't really have anything to start. But yeah, the recipe toast and all of the other advancement stuff, I'm just gonna remove all of it. Probably gonna grant all of the recipes, but remove all of the toasts or something like that. So you can ooh, really? Wow. GG. I was planning out traps and I haven't even had time to do anything. Is it, oh. Okay, 1-on-1 then. That's interesting. Hello? Oh! Shulkers do! Wow! GG! That was a quick game. You can completely remove the ability to get recipes, you know. Yeah, but I like the book. I don't mind the book. I don't mind people having the ability to use the book, but so I don't mind unlocking the recipes. I just don't wanna not have them spam. Well, that was pretty cool. That was pretty quick. Let's do that one then. So we are 7 on the server. We can do 4 versus 3 if nobody else wants to join. Let me try to refresh YouTube chat again and see if it starts working. Yeah, it's working for me. It's loading in. It's just not updating, so I can just load once. Alright, so who, was there, I think there might have been one more person who wanted to join, but I've lost the in-game name of that person, and the chat is really working terribly. I don't know what's up with YouTube. It's literally one game rule to turn off advancement announcements. Yeah, in chat, but not the pop-ups, the toasts. Fussy Commando 4408. Didn't I whitelist this person? Fussy Command. Yeah. No, so that person is whitelisted, but they had to go, right? Alright, well, anyway, we can do 4 versus 3. It's not a big deal, really, in this game, in my experience. Oh, I see. Yeah, so let's 4 on blue, 3 on red. Are you guys okay with that? Am I meant to be suspended in the void during tutorial? No, that's dang teleporting player into unloaded chunks problem. You're supposed to get an actual visual view on. Four player. You want to switch teams with me, Malama? Because I can be on the 3 team. There you go. Alright, I need to make sure that it doesn't announce when you redo the same one. So it doesn't get spammed like that. Alright. Okay. Ooh, far away. Alright, you got that. Got that. It's good. Like this thing. This is what I want to avoid. New recipes unlocked all over the screen all the time. Alright. I was assuming that you got the chest. Yes, you did. Good. Yeah, I'm sorry for the people on YouTube. If you're in the YouTube chat, I'm not seeing your messages at the moment. I don't know what's wrong with YouTube. It's broken today. So if you want me to see your messages, the best way to make sure is to what? Whoa! What was that? The best way to make sure is to join the Mixer chat or something. Oh wow! Okay. Ouch. GG. Where? Oh god, really? That's a mean one. That's a properly mean one. Oh, I see. I see what you did. Okay. Alright. Hi. Yes. Yes, this is a bit of a problem. Yes. Indeed. This is going to be very annoying. Okay, yeah. You've got the right idea there. Run. Ouch! GG. Okay. Okay, can I... Is this... That's okay. It's an okay drop. Alright. I get it around all the way here. And go down. Right, you made it that way. That's good. Oh god. Oh, what? Really? That doesn't make sense. The same one. It's not supposed to repick the same one. That's a bit odd. Okay. Well, it's the same for everybody though, so that's okay. I'm not liking the sounds here. Alright, come on, come on. I need to get down here. Oh, really? Oh, really now? Yes, okay. We need that Vex dead. Alright, go. Yep, okay. Yep. Decent. Good. Made it out there. Okay. Dang. Can I get down here without taking damage? Yes, I can. Okay then. I need to at some point to take the time to make actual tools, so I have something to fight back with. But I keep spending all my time actually trying to get to the chests. No, okay. How did that break? Alright, we're gonna have to check that out later. Because apparently, did we get the same thing every time last game too? Ouch! GG. This might be a mistake. This might be a bad route to take. Go here. Oh, yeah, well, it's okay. We'll do that. Come on. Is it? No, we're 2. Sino versus Undodo and me. Okay. Where was it? Ooh. Careful. This round's used. Okay, you got it. Okay, good. It's potentially dangerous. Seems to be okay. Okay. I guess we're just gonna pick this up. Why are they all being the same chests? I don't get that. As a spectator, you're locked to your team. So if you try to go away from your arena and sort of sneak a peek on the opposing team, you will be teleported back into the arena. I'm gonna try to make a switch for that, so you can switch it on or off. But it's basically meant so if you sort of competitively play this, then yeah, you shouldn't be able to cheat that way. Okay. Come here. Should actually do this. Oh, that works. Right, see ya. Alright, where are we going? Apparently not here. I know, I'm going to fix that too. Alright. Whoop. I am aware that the thing that is supposed to keep you from going to the opposing team, that arena isn't properly made. There's iron there. Okay, okay, you're getting the chest. So mean. Can make an iron sword out of that. Is there any more here? No. Fall off. Alright, well. Still kind of mostly focusing on survivability here. Shouldn't make a sword, should make shields actually. What? Oh, because all my planks are in here. Duh. Okay. What? There we go. Alright, where is my teammate? Oh wow, he's down to half a heart. Not good. It's getting... Alright. Okay. This is an interesting effect of there being only the illager chests. I'll probably kill off most of these before the time runs out. Come on. The Vexes! Really? Alright, we still have plenty of safe time. You need a mint. So you actually got a different chest. Well, okay. Still have a bit of safe time. Come on, running out of time for this. Rip sliced? Really? We're perfectly okay now. Oh, really now? Oh, come on. Come on, don't be stuck. Really? Oh. Managed to press me against the wall and make me not get up on the ladder. That's so stupid. Ah. That was annoying though. Yeah, you're definitely winning this one. I don't know where you are. Let's, oh! Ran over the lava. Alrighty. So that basically the only problem with that was the chest selection. Which is awfully weird. Yeah, you need a mint is when you get Dragon's Breath. I actually thought that you had to actually like pick it up yourself, but apparently it's enough to just get the item into your inventory. Okay. What the heck is wrong with the chest selection? That has worked before. And apparently one of them worked. I am wondering. So I'm gonna switch over here for a second. We're gonna take a quick look. New chest. We summon those. Reset to selected. And select one of the ones that's called treasure. And I'm pretty sure that when we place them, we rename them from treasure. So we definitely reset. Oh wait. Wait, it's gonna be renamed. Treasure cooldown needs to also get their selected ones reset. That might be it actually. That might be why. Okay, I'm gonna need to copy that file up to the server and reload for that to work. Let's see, Entrapment data functions. What was that? New round. Game, new round. Oh, damn. That was the wrong one. Functions, entrapment, game, new round. To server, into here, data, functions, entrapment, game. Replace that file. Reload. Alright. I saw somebody who wanted to join. I need your in-game name in that case so I can Vitalistio. Apparently also not speak properly. And also again, people in YouTube chat is not working properly. I'm not seeing it in real time. I have to reload it manually for me to see it. So sorry if I'm not answering your questions properly. If you want to chat properly, go over to Mixer or Twitch, because those ones work. Something is wrong with YouTube today. Unable to connect to chat. Please try again later. Yep. Working so well today. GG YouTube. Okay, let's with that fixed, let's try one more round. And then I think, let's see. Yeah, I think that will be probably enough. Well, it depends on how long this takes. Mountain wall. Sure. The settings are pretty good. I like this. It's pretty quick at the beginning, but it's sort of maybe actually add 15 of danger time. So yeah, that's good. That's good. Set up some teams. We are even. That's good. What? All right. Well, everybody went blue, so I guess I'm going red. I need to extend the radius of these a little bit, I think. So I keep seeing people run up to them and not manage to join properly. Team join radius. Alright, Maloma? There we go. Yeah. Oh. Kill helmet items during ready check. It's another thing to do. Alright, let's go. It's not much. Ooh, people are lagging a little bit. Oh. What? Do we? Oh, here we go. What do we get? Okay, something. Oh, come on. Oh, okay. Watch it. Okay, you're okay. Really? It is selecting a random one. I'm reasonably sure of this. Okay, let's get up here. It looks okay. It might just have been a random chance they got that one first. Which is a little bit ironic, but it's fine. Spawner glitch. Huh? What's that? So yeah, I don't know how long time ago you said that, Senka, but that's my intention, is to give everybody all the recipes, but remove all the toasts. Where's that? Okay. Oh. Okay, that's gonna be an interesting one. I'm gonna have to go over there. Oh god. Slow. I don't know if the other guy was also going. I don't know, one of the other guys was climbing up the other side, I think. But I made it up here, so it's fine. Yeah, something is wrong. Unless that was theirs and they didn't get it. Oh yeah, that might have been it, because there's one here. Did you? Ooh, okay. Okay. What? Really? There you go. 15 seconds. Yeah, we're basically out of time here. Wow. Alright, here we go. Yeah. Ouch! Oh, no. Bad. Very bad. Oh, really? You're there? Okay, fine. No! Okay. Hello. Okay. Yeah, we can't really get to many places from here. I'm assuming that there is a an actual chest behind here somewhere. Can't see any beacon though. Ooh. Thank you very much. Okay. Oh, that's an easy mode chest. All right. Okay. Very interesting. Oh. You didn't? All right. Interesting. Still need the materials to be able to do. No one loaded? Okay. Yeah. Okay, I get it. I get you. Kind of want these in here. Alright, we're gonna place this here. Get rid of some of this. Oh, I see, I see. That's fine though. 2, 3, this is too far. Dang it! Teleported out. Oh, holy smokes, that's so bad. Oh, that knockback. Oh, ouch. GG. Oh, this respawn too. Spectator respawn. I need to put down in my notes. Ouch. Red team was doing well, but then, yeah, we were, same happened to you. Okay, yeah, we got owned there. Ooh. What team is this? That's blue team. Yeah, red team is kind of limping at this point. Small problem. I mean, I guess. Weird. Oh, you're making me hungry now. It'd be awesome to have some form of spectator or like overlay, so you could actually see where people were and stuff. Swifter's hanging on and Mickey's hanging on. Both at half a heart. Been for quite a while now. There you go. Swifter's gone. Mickey's still hanging on. Ooh. Lots of damage being dealt. Red team. That was suicide. Red team is severely wounded. Blue team still has Maluma at almost full health. Both Swinksy and Sino is in pretty careful mode here. Oh, really? All right. There is one up in the control screen, yeah, but that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying an overview. Because these are teleports, not like I'm looking for like overlays like you would have in a proper esport where you can see stuff through. Get the chest. That might not be so easy. Well, yeah, from there I guess it is. Floor is lava. I think Swinksy is taking an additional heart of damage here. Or maybe I'm misremembering. There's a keybind you can use to see plays through blocks. What are you talking about? Highlight players? Really? Huh. I would like to have a toggle for that. Ooh. GG Sino. 2 versus 2. Red's team is still limping significantly much more. Oh. Oh. Where do they go? They're over here. Now, this is a longer game. It's still not terribly long. I mean, we're around 8. It's not terrible. Round time is up to a little more than a minute, but take aim, eh? Oh! 2 versus 1. GG Mickey. Hung on for quite a while. Yeah, when you die, you respawn back at the thing, which is not good. This is pretty good. I like this music combo for this game. Action. Always blame lag. I'm not sure what you want me to actually see there, Suncat. Hello, cat. Oh! GG Sphinxy. We're down to 1-on-1. Maloma versus Naruto. Your round's about to switch. Oh, yeah? Yeah. He's got work to do. The reason there's no text coming up on YouTube is because there is nothing. No, there's some. I'm seeing it when I reload it manually. It's not much, but yeah, there's some for sure. Run for your buns. Ouch. Ooh, damage dealt. 1 heart. GG. Team Redstone wins. Well played, everybody. So that's working. I think the chest actually did work correctly this time. There's some minor things. Let's see what I have on my list. The team join radius, the helmet stuff during the ready check, the re-announcement of the choices during the ready check, so that's all during the ready check. There's the respawn problem and the spectator sticking with the team's problem. And then there's the advancements in recipes and the tutorial that needs to be updated. But then I'm thinking we're pretty much set to go. Didn't the same exact chest used to spawn in both arenas? Yeah, it still does. But if you miss it, you end up with several different ones. So, in addition to that list, was anybody else seeing any other problem? What's the difference between fell from a high place and hit the ground too hard? That's a good question. I couldn't win. Major problem. Yeah, of course. No, it seems to work pretty okay now. I'm really happy with this. It's really it's good fun when it starts actually working, this thing. Can you remove the italics from the helmet names? Sure, but I don't care much about it, to be honest. Alright, well, none of those things were bad enough to warrant really updating it right this moment. Let's see what the time is. Stream has been on for 3 hours. Yeah, sure, we can do one more round. Another invasion. Good try. Was a much coherent game. Yeah, the thing with the danger time really does up the pace, and I really like that. We are 3. Yeah, we're 3 on 3. If everybody joins, that is. Last round, yeah. It's always intense when you're like the one person that's left. I think we'll run with the same settings. Those are pretty good. I can't turn on the narrator. I wouldn't know why that was. It looks nicer, but it's just a tiny detail on it on the ready check of the map. Like, it's not the main part of the map. So the map is about the game, not the ready check. And we've put a bunch of effort into the ready check already. So, yeah, I don't want to. Really? Oh, okay. Far away. We might not even be able to get there. If we're unlucky, so we don't have any tools. Oh yeah, okay. It's gonna be rough. Oh, there's no way to climb here. Ah, dang it. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. We're not getting it. Dang! Bad start. Alright. I'm actually gonna go for tools first. Maybe give the helmet an enchantment glow when you select it in the register. Yeah, I mean, sure, you could do that. But I mean, I still don't see the reasons, to be completely honest. That doesn't help you. Get help from your teammates, not your opponents. Small things that matter. Yeah, well, this map is getting pretty polished already, I think. Okay. Well, we're gonna use this then. Oh, come on. And we're still in that. Good. Let's see, did we... Okay, there's none left in here. There's gotta be one in here somewhere, or did we get it already? I'm escaping the arena. Good luck. Have fun. The game is not kind to you if you try to do that. Yeah. If you stay too long, you'll start taking damage. Yeah, we literally don't have any more, so I guess somebody got that one. Oh, hi. Yeah, we're gonna have so much fun together, aren't we? Sorry about the darkness for a bit. But yeah, it didn't feel like being out there. Come on. Really? Did we get things? There's nothing here. Yeah, well. Okay. That is highly problematic. Yes. On the other hand, they're gonna have just as big of a problem with that later. Oh. Swifters having a bad time. Portal activated? Oh, interesting. Hi. I'm pretty sure the portal would deactivate if you get close to it, though. Alright. This is a little bit precarious, but it'll have to do. Oh god. That sound, though. Really now? Okay. I don't know who my teammates got all the things. I hope people got it and we didn't just miss all the chests. So that's certainly a possibility for what happened to. Alright. Hi. Hi. Hello. Do not like you. Go. God dang it. Go away. How am I not been poisoned yet? That's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Yes. Hello. See if we can set up. It's daytime still, so there's no real reason for using them. The portal exploit you found has been fixed a long time ago, like in the previous version or something, I think. I have fixed it at least. So thank you very much for that. God. You're gonna have to run out though, we can't stay in there. Yeah, the portal did activate. Yeah, okay, there's no getting through there. Okay. Same again, kind of. Careful. Like, it's enough if one of those blazes spots me and tosses fireball my way from that direction, and I'm gone. Okay, can I even remember the way down here? Ooh. GG's. Wow, you're down to half a heart in the entire team. Alright. That makes me feel a bit better about this situation. Oh. That ain't bad, actually. Half a heart and room full of blaze didn't end well, no. GG's. GG's all around. Where's the... Okay. You're welcome, team. Oh. Oh, I see. I see what you have done. Hey, I can... What? Why is it not... Okay, so that doesn't work. That obviously needs to be fixed. I'll take a second to write that down. Portal exploit. Yeah, so hello. That's the last one. Oh, you're stuck in a minecart. Oh, and there's you. Hello. Yeah, just go. It's better off. Okay. Not that. It's not what I wanted at all. That kind of works though. It didn't work at all. Get. Okay. Took a lot of damage from that. You just need to outlive that one. One half heart, though. Okay, that's terrifying. Come on, I just want to get down here. Alright, we'll step on this though. It's terrifying, but suit up, eh? Huh. There's nothing is disabled that way. The only item that is disabled that I need to double check anyway is the totem. Any totem that drops should be instantly removed. Alright. Well, that's okay. Doing okay. There's one over there, apparently. There we go! A witch strikes the final blow, and GG's all around. Oh, you fell out from the lobby again. Interesting. My skin is based on Link from Zelda, yeah. That is correct. Oh. Alright, that was a good game though. There's a few things I definitely need to fix, but at least now we're getting to the point where the things that I need to fix are small. I can't guarantee that I would use the skin, but I mean, Alright, but I think that will be it for today. If it's good, well, definitely consider it, yeah. Someone's skin is based on Seth Bling? No. No, Seth Bling's skin is Mario. And somebody else has a Mario skin, is the correct way to say that. Alright, well, that was good times all around. Thank you very much for joining for the playtest. I'm super happy about this. We should be able to have this map up and running next week, which is good because there will be Entrapment stuff coming up on the channel soon. So, thank you everybody for joining in, and I will catch you next time. And if you've missed some of this, you want to see it, it will be up on the second channel, hopefully tomorrow. Otherwise, we'll continue the How Did We Get Here stream next time on Sunday. Thank you very much. slicedlime out.